Let's travel back in time. 500 years ago, this is what the Atlantic forest looked like. But over the centuries, it was systematically destroyed by logging and agriculture. This lung of the planet is our last hope to preserve the ecosystem. Here lives the Vida Nativa project. Today, on this very land, hope is reborn as the restoration of the original ecosystem begins. With a 100-year plan, we aim to implement diverse restoration strategies and reclaim the remaining damaged areas. We have a long journey ahead. This unique ecosystem is a sanctuary for 10 endangered species and 56 endemic species found nowhere else on Earth. Beyond its impact on climate and biodiversity, the project uplifts native communities by honoring the 2020 Agreement on Free, Prior and Informed Consultation. The construction of houses like the ones we see here is part of our collaborative efforts. Together, we strengthen the climate action and socio-environmental capacities of these communities, amplifying the positive impact of carbon markets. Alone, it's challenging, but together, we can create real change. So join us today and be part of a transformative project for our planet.